Let's look at the remove method on the built-in list. I don't think we'll actually take the time to implement this on our list because it's so trivial. MyPartyAges.remove. When you say remove, you have to give it an item to remove. Since we are storing ints, I have to give it an int to remove. So I shall say 42 here, and that will go and remove the 42 right there. Now what if I have a 42 right there as well? Well, what's going to happen? Can you pause the video and think about what's going to happen? Let's print out the result of the removal and Control F5 that, and you can see that the first 42 is removed but not the later ones. I was poking around the reflector looking at Microsoft's implementation of remove, and essentially you pass the item you want to remove. They call index of, we haven't talked about index of, but simply index of returns the index of the item you're looking for. So if you want to see if the list has a particular item, you just give it the item that you're looking for. Let me click on index of, and oh look, it just calls array.indexof because of our underlying array. We can just pass the buck on to array.indexof. Why reinvent the wheel here in our own index of method? I click on array.indexof. You can see they have some bounds checkings and stuff like that, and then they say equality compare.default.indexof array value start index blah 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 blah. Array's index of passes the buck on even further to equality comparer. This equality comparer class is actually pretty interesting and a little bit intricate, so we'll look at that in the next video. But for now, I just want to go back to our original problem of a remove. We say here's an item. It finds the first instance of the item. If the instance is found, then it calls remove at, and remove at pulls the item. We've seen remove at in the last video. And also notice that remove returns a boolean indicating whether the item was found or whether the item was not found. But the key point to get from remove is that it all is based on that equality comparer that we saw. Let's go back over here where array index of just passes the buck on to this equality comparer. We'll look at equality compare in a little more detail in the next video. I think it warrants its own video, but that's remove. It's real simple. Find the first item that is equal to what we're passing in here, and then remove it.